All right, guys, here we go. Last break of the night. It is 2023 Illusions Football, PYT 586. We should have 3 autos, 2 mims per box on average. You guys are going to guess the player on the last auto for 20 in credit. If you get that player correctly on that last auto, you'll get 20 in credit to use in our shop for any breaks, packs, or boxes. Here we go. This is PYT 586. There's our box. Good luck to everybody in this one. Rice and flowers guesses so far. Keep those guesses coming, guys. You do not have to be in the break to make a guess. So if you're just watching, you can throw a guess out there as well. All right, here we go. Speaking of Zay Flowers, first card of the night is a Zay Flowers rookie. And we got Tank Bigsby to follow. Zach Charbonnet. And our first of what should be 3 mims is Dalton Kincaid. And that one is the instant impact out of 199 for the Bills spot. We got a Chase Brown on the Mystique. And here we go. We got Marvin Mims. Mike Gesicki. Aiden O'Connell. Yeah, that's something. It's about just as hard as picking the auto. Out of 299, we got Joe Mixon for Cincinnati. Does not want to focus. There we go. It's a little better. Out of 299, Joe Mixon. We got a filler in here. And we got Operation Detonation, Jordan Addison. Next pack. DJ Moore. Dalton Schultz. Brees Hall. And this is going to be, let's see, the Jets and the Panthers. We got 2 different owners there. We do. So this will have to get random at the end of the break. Rookie Idols. There's a Funkadelic of Irving Fryer. That one is not numbered, but that'll be random between the Panthers and Jets at the end of the break. Here's our next pack. Jalen Waddle. Jalen Hurts. Travis Etienne. Out of 175, that's Micah Parsons. Roshan on the Mystique. Next pack, then we'll top load what we have. Odell Beckham Jr. Jackson Smith and Jigba. Russell Wilson. And we got some Panini points. We'll have to ram those off at the end. And Daniel Jones on the King of Cards. Well, those points probably replaced one of our autos, so we still should have one more. So we got to randomize the Rookie Idols card between the Jets and the Vikings, and we'll random off those points to someone in the break. So anyone who bought a spot in the break has a shot at those 250 points. Next pack. We have Mac Jones, Justin Fields, Josh Jacobs, Kendre Miller out of 399. Going to the Saints spot. Got another filler right here. And a Clayton Tune Mystique out of 399 for Arizona. We have Aaron Rodgers for the Jets. Jaden Reed, rookie for the Packers. Dorian Thompson-Robinson here for the Browns. There's an auto of Chris Long on the exclusive ink. Tyler Scott on the Mystique. Chris Long for the Rams. That is out of 299.99 out of 299. Nice one there for the Rams spot. Nice Chris Long auto. You don't see that too often. 3 packs left. Matthew Stafford, Lamar Jackson. Oops, this card stuck to Lamar. Got a little something on there. That's out of 499. Joe Mixon. There is a Tank Bigsby Instant Impact out of 199. Mim. Operation Detonation, Odell Beckham Jr. Next pack. Trevor Lawrence. Deebo Samuel. Jaleel McLaughlin. And our auto. Set that back there real quick. Rookie endorsements, that's Michael Mayer. That is out of 334. A weird number there, 334. Michael Mayer on the rookie endorsements auto for the Raiders spot. Nice hit there for the Raiders. And nice hit here for Houston, CJ Stroud on the Illusionist. Last pack. Right, so we have Jaron Hall, the rookie there from Minnesota. We got Jonathan Mingo, Devonta Adams, Breece Hall out of 149. And a Shining Stars of Jamar Chase. Going to the Bengals. That is out of 75. 39 out of 75. Nice hit there. Let's top load what we have. Then we'll random off the points and the rookie idols. That Bryce Young, Aaron Rodgers card. Dual Mim. And then we'll end it for the night. I want to thank everybody for hopping in the breaks tonight, getting those, most all of them full. I think Omicron Sapphire, we had 2 spots left, other ones filled. Use that future break schedule to grab your spots in the upcoming breaks. We should be doing those, I believe, Thursday. That's the goal. We'll work on it, see if we can't get that done for Thursday. We got a couple things to random off. We got the 250 points to someone in the break. And we'll do the rookie idols as well. Probably do the rookie idols first, then the points. So we are going to random this off between the Jets and the Panthers. We get the list randomizer up here. All right. All right, this is between the Panthers and Jets for the rookie idols. There's your teams. We're going to roll the dice. We got 6 and 1 for 7 times. Here we go. Whoever's in the top spot after the 7th randomization gets the card. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our 7th final time, 7 times. That's going to go to the Panthers. I didn't put the S on it. Panthers get that one. So let's find the Panthers spot right here. And that's rookie idols. Okay. So now we'll take your names, all 32 of those. We'll copy. We'll put in a separate randomizer. This will be for the 250 points. There's all 32 of your names. Let's re-roll the dice. 4 and 4 is 8 times. Whoever's in the 1 spot after the 8th time gets the 250 points. Here we go. 1, 2. Oops, let me move this up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and our 8th and final time, 8 times. That's going to go to P Tangle. You're going to get the 250 points right there. 8 times. 4 and 4 is 8. Move this back down. Adjust it again. And 250. All right, that is that. Let's recap and we'll end it for the night, guys. All right. Rookie idols going to the Panthers spot. That one was not numbered. 250 points going to Pete Tagle. Out of 399, we had Kendre Miller for the Saints. Clayton Tune out of 399. Out of 499, Joe Mixon. Out of 199, the instant impact, that is Tank Bigsby. Illusionist of CJ Stroud. Out of 149, Breece Hall for the Jets. Shining Star, Jamar Chase. That one was out of 75. 39 out of 75 there. And out of 199, the instant impact rookie mem. That is Dalton Kincaid for the Bills. Chase Brown on the Mystique. That one was not numbered. Out of 299, again, that is Joe Mixon for the Bengals. Operation Detonation rookie Jordan Addison. Out of 175, that was Micah Parsons. Chris Long out of 299 on the exclusive ink. And our guest of the break was Michael Mayer on the rookie endorsements out of 334. All right, guys, that does it for the breaks tonight. Use that future break schedule link. Make sure you bookmark that so you guys have access to that. You can go in there and buy spots to the breaks as soon as we post them. We'll be getting another break scheduled this week as well. Break night, so grab your spots. Anything that fills or gets close to full, we'll throw on the schedule. Have a great night, guys. We'll see you soon.